What is up, guys? Camaro92 here, standing in my messy garage. Today we're going to be tackling the side skirts on my 1998 BMW M3. I have done a few things to this car since the last video that I have not filmed. Sorry about that. Between work and everything going on during the pandemic and getting things done with the house, because I recently moved, it's been an uphill battle trying to get everything done, and I get really anxious to get stuff done, and a lot of times I just end up doing it and not filming it. But from this point forward, we're going to go ahead and be documenting everything that we do to the M3. So recently I had the rust repaired. I had the rockers patched in the areas that were rotted out. I know you saw from the last video the footage of how bad it was. I'll definitely put some before shots in here and some after shots. What we're going to do now is I kind of loosely secured the side skirts just so I could drive it in the meantime. I was really anxious to see how it would look with everything put back together. But what we're going to go ahead and do is pull off the side skirts and properly secure them. One side, I had bought a new set of clips. I thought it was going to be for both sides and ended up only being for one side. So I went ahead and ordered another set of side skirt clips, and what we're going to do is go ahead and properly secure the side skirts. And we do have to drill a couple of holes in the patches that were put on so that we can secure the side skirts with the clips. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do in this video, so stay tuned and we'll go ahead and get started.
We'll start by removing the push clips under the side skirt. And then we'll go ahead and pop the side skirt off. Then we'll remove the clips that hold the side skirt on. This is what was left of the 22-year-old plastic clips. And now we'll remove the push clips on the other side. And remove the side skirt. And this is where I waste about 5 minutes making a template that I won't end up using. The plan was to use the template to drill the holes in the other side skirt where it had been patched. What I didn't realize was not only did the guy use thicker sheet metal, but he also plated it on the backside for added strength. It took me breaking several drill bits before I found this out. We'll just have to deal with 2 clips missing, for now.
Okay then.
Now we'll install all new clips on the passenger side. And install one of the grommets that was missing. This ECS tuning employee had a good sense of humor. This is the technical term for the strap that secures the jack point cover to the side skirt. Now we'll wipe down the new jack point cover with isopropyl alcohol before applying a coat of Alpine White from AutomotiveTouchUp.com, not a sponsor. It's about time my helper showed up. Now we can put the side skirt back on the driver's side. This one already has all new clips. And reinstall the push clips underneath. Now we can reinstall the side skirt on the passenger side.
Much better.
And finally reinstall the push clips. Let me just preface this by saying the guy who I had do this is not a professional body guy, but he does have a welder and sheet metal. All things considered, I think it turned out really well, and luckily it's not on a cosmetic part of the car. The car can now be jacked up by all the jack points securely, and it should hold up fairly well. It also should not be too much of a concern, being as how the car is going to be kept in a garage most of its life. The point of this was to show that you really don't have to spend a whole lot of money to get a decent result. I don't see this repair having any issues in the long run. Now I'll talk about some of the things I did to the car that I didn't film, starting with the rear. First was a set of clear style taillights I got on Amazon, as well as a black M3 and carbon BMW badge. I also put a lip spoiler that I got on eBay, color matched Alpine white. I also replaced the rear diffuser with one I got on eBay, which the fitment is not the greatest, considering all the clips are broken and it's secured with 3M double-sided tape, but it works for now. I then sanded the rear bumper and painted it with, what do you know, Rust-Oleum. It kinda matches the Alpine white, and you really have to get close to see the difference, but it looks a lot better than it did. As for the front, it got clear turn signal lenses to clean up the look, as well as the same carbon BMW badge for the hood. Now let's compare side by side. My first walk around video that I did, and a current day walk around. Just goes to show you don't have to spend a whole lot of money to make a drastic improvement cosmetically. Oh, and I almost forgot about the missing jack point cover that we replaced.
Alright guys, so to wrap this video up, I hope you enjoyed. We definitely have some more content coming. I have a few mechanical issues that I need to sort out on the car, and after that I'm gonna get it through inspection, and then we have some even bigger things planned for the car, so stay tuned for that. But for now, if you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.